Very good morning, students. Welcome to Path is here. Dear children, we shall study today Civics Chapter 4, that is Role of the State Government Healthcare. What is the role of the state government related to the healthcare? This chapter will enable us to know much more about that. First of all, we shall start it from very first line, that is the state government is responsible for looking after the welfare of the people living in the state and providing the basic facilities to them. The people of a state have several needs. The state government priorities its activities on the basis of the need, time and resources available. This is true for the healthcare. The state government is extremely responsible. Also, the state government's responsibility to look after the welfare of the people living in that particular state. Not only that, the basic facilities which is required by the people from the government, this is also the duty of the state government to facilitate them from different needs. Next, that is directive principles of state policy. डायरेक्टिव प्रिंसिपल्स ऑफ स्टेट पॉलिसी क्या है? इसको हम हिंदी में कहते हैं राज्य के नीति निर्देशक तत्व, इसका हिंदी होता है। नीति निर्देशक तत्व क्या है, क्या डायरेक्टिव प्रिंसिपल्स हैं स्टेट पॉलिसी के? लेट अस टच दिस टॉपिक. द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया हैज़ प्रोवाइडेड certain guidelines for framing laws for the central and state governments. This is the constitution which provide all such types of facilities by the central government as well as the state government. Different types of laws have been framed through the constitution. These guidelines are called directive principles of state policy. If followed, they will promote social welfare by improving the social and economic life of the people. No doubt, the guidelines given by the Constitution is known as the directive principles of state policy. Its aim to promote social welfare by facilitating economic life of the people. However, the directive principles are only guidelines and are not enforceable. The means nobody can legally complain if a government does not implement any of the directive principles. Without implementing these policies by the state government, nobody has the right to complain against any particular matter until it does not guided by the state government, directed by the state government. At the same time, while making laws, the state should take into account the directive principles. और उसी समय जो है जब लॉज बन रहा था तो स्टेट, जब लॉ बनाया जाता है तो स्टेट को इसको डायरेक्टिव प्रिंसिपल्स को अकाउंट में रखना पड़ता है। जो इसके नीति निर्देशक तत्व हैं इसको हमेशा अपने वो निर्देशन में, अपने डायरेक्टिव प्रिंसिपल्स में उसको ऐड करना पड़ता है Some directive principles of state policy are: what are the some directive principles of the state policy? We shall note down here and we shall see properly. So many directive principles have been provided by the state for the facilities of the people to fulfill the need of the people. These are some directive principles. What are they? Well, to secure all its citizens and adequate means of livelihood. Number two, to make all material sources available to the common people. To ensure that both men and women get equal pay for equal work. To secure the right to work, education and public assistance to the unemployed, aged, sick and disabled. To provide maternity relief to working women, to prevent child abuse and exploitation of workers, to promote cottage industries in the rural areas, to improve public health facilities and enhance the standard of nutrition of the people. These are some major points mentioned in the state policy to facilitate the people. Healthcare in India is the responsibility of every state. Clean drinking water, good sanitation, hygiene, and a pollution free as well as stress free environment are factors that contribute towards good health. All such types of things are necessary for the people in the state to live healthy. Like that, clean drinking water, good sanitation, hygiene, and a pollution free environment is required for the people. The state government undertakes various programs to look after public health. Sometimes it takes the help of non-government organizations, that is NGO, to promote various public health care programs. The public health care expenditure is jointly shared by the central and state government. This is the matter of concurrent list, means central government and state government both works on the same matter to provide facilities to the people of the state. One of the ministries in each state government is the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, which plans and implements the various public health care programs in a state. Generally, the health minister is in charge of the department. What are the various steps that the state government takes to improve public health? What are they? Let us see. The state government runs health care, central dispensaries and hospitals in the rural areas and urban areas. free of cost or at low rates. The government spread awareness about hygiene, living and nutritional diet plan through various media campaigns. These all the responsibility goes to the government to propagate or to advertise to facilitate the people from the various basic needs of the people of the state. Mostly they all are related to the health care, nutritious diet, proper medication, availability of medicine at low rate. Awareness is also required for the people to be conscious about any disease or any problem. These all such types of facts are needed. It tries to control the spread of communicable diseases by spreading awareness and providing free drinking water and sanitation facilities. This is also the responsibility of the state government to provide fresh drinking water, avoid communicable diseases. Free drinking water is also required for everyone to be healthy. Each state implements the policies of the National Rural Health Mission, that is NRHM, National Rural Health Mission, to improve healthcare facilities for the people. In every state of India, there is a program, National Rural Health Mission, that is, and its duty to improve healthcare, to provide health facilities to all the people of the state. NHRM conducts special programs to improve the health of newborn babies and their mothers, to reduce infant as well as maternal mortality rates. इसका मेन उद्देश्य है कि गांव में जैसे या अर्बन एरियाज में जो न्यू बॉर्न बेबीज हैं, जो पैदा होने वाले बच्चे हैं, माँ है उसकी, जो इन्फेंट, जो मैटरनल मॉर्टेलिटी रेट्स है, जो शिशु मृत्यु दर जिसको कहते हैं, उसको कम करना, ये NHRM की ड्यूटी है कि उसको जो है उस एरिया में इम्प्लीमेंट करें और बच्चों को इससे बचाए. पब्लिक हेल्थ केयर. At every village there is a primary health care centers with trained doctors, nurses and basic facilities. There are village health and sanitation units consisting of panchayat members and other volunteers. These summits gets grant from the government for carrying out household service, preparing village health camps, sanitation drives, regular cleaning and internal paintings of reservoirs. These all are the responsibility of the government to facilitate the people living in urban or rural areas. Thank you very much.